guys, and today we're unboxing the 600 dual fuel Surefire flashlight. It's a scout light, so we'll just open her up. So this one is the tan version. There's a black version as well. Comes with a tail clap, tail caps, and a weapons mounting bracket, which goes to your Picatinny rail. There's more goodies in the box. Whoa! I didn't know it came with that. Alright, so there's a charger. Wow, even a car adapter charger. I guess if you're at the range or whatever and you need to charge up your flashlight or whatever it may be, you got a charger there. Plug in. Comes with a decal, as well as additional additional flashlights they get, weapons mounts, etc. Accessories, switches, the dual switch, how to assemble, disassemble, put together your Surefire flashlight. There's the charger, as well as the cord. So the batteries actually come inside the scout light, and like it says here, well, it says here, like you see here, you can have a charger as well, charge it up. I don't see the port to plug this in. I'm pretty sure it might just be the battery. But that's pretty much the unboxing of the Surefire scout light dual fuel 600. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day and stay safe.
Perfect.